Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my Mio planner from the Happy Planner, and it is a brand new layout this year from them and I truly enjoy it. So here we go. I decided to use the Flower Power this week, which is the mega sticker book that came out last year, and it has an overwhelming amount of florals, which I really love, and I wanted to use these dainty outline ones like those because they're small enough where I wouldn't really have to cut them into pieces. So let's go ahead and try. I wanted to see how that would work out. So I am planning for the week of January 24th through the 30th, and this is a little experiment. I want to see how much room I'm going to have, if that's enough room to write everything that I need to write. Hopefully it is, and it'll be easy peasy, and from now on I'm gonna have an idea of what fits. And while I am placing all of these beautiful outline stickers, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel. Thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me. And if you are brand new, welcome. I hope you like it here. Don't forget to subscribe and like it because I truly appreciate all of you guys. So, and also if you're new, just say hi down below so I can say welcome to my channel. That brings me so much joy to be able to welcome new subscribers. Okay, so this spread, it's going to be a monochrome black and white spread. I am not 100% sure what I'm doing, as always. That's kind of my go-to. I don't know what I'm doing, so my signature move per se. So I'm gonna go ahead and just continue adding these black florals. I really like the outlines, like I said, and we will see how it turns out. It's a little experiment to see how that would look and work out. So these tweezers were super sharp at the ends, and somehow by a slight mistake I bent the tip just like a smidge, and these seem to work extremely well for grabbing stickers now. So I don't know if it's a hack or if I broke these, but we shall see how it works out. But do you see what I mean? Like, I am grabbing it with that tip that's slightly bent one way. So I didn't do that on purpose, but maybe it's just something that is working out, because normally these stickers are not the easiest to grab, especially if you have long nails like I do. They're kind of difficult, so we shall see. So far this spread is turning out lovely. I love these flowers. I love when things are black and white and simple and just stunning. So that's where I am right now. And if you have already seen a few videos of me using this Mio planner, I hope you guys are getting some ideas of how to decorate this. I know this layout is even harder than the color black, even though it is very similar to color black, because these are already pre-labeled, so it's not proving to be as easy as just placing some stickers down, like what a vertical that stickers are actually meant for. So okay, I'm gonna add that one, and I'm gonna add just some of these leaves to it, and I love how it's starting to look. I hope you guys do too. And now I'm gonna add some boxes. So outside of the food and this planner and planning for it, I also track a couple other things. So I track my steps, my sleeping hours, my moods, and my supplement intake. So that's where this box comes in, and I just list them in there. I will put like sleep, MED for medicine, steps are short enough where I can just put those down, and mood is also short enough. So the only one I really shorten is the medicine. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these boxes. I did that last week and it actually worked out quite well. So I wanted to repeat that because to me that's pretty awesome. It says ingredients to prep. I really don't mind it. It says that I'm not even covering it up. I am completely good with it. So I wanted to make sure that these boxes are somewhat straight. I do have a tendency of putting it crooked, classic me, but if you have been here before, I probably have messed up so many times. You guys are used to it. If you are new, well, that's what you get. You get me with a whole bunch of crooked boxes, which sometimes it's fun because I laugh at myself, right? Last box to go on. Crooked, of course. Classic plannerista. So here we go. That's that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in more florals. Now that I know what it looks like with boxes. So the boxes are very heavy lines and they're a little overwhelming to the eye. So I'm going to bring in more flowers and kind of distract from that. So let's go ahead and do that together. And balance this spread out, because for me, balance is such an important thing in my spreads. It needs to look like everything is meant to be and on purpose. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add few more of those. I can add them in between dates as well, in case you didn't know. So don't be afraid to kind of just think outside of the box. So I am just taking off some stickers and putting them on the back of my hand. That's usually my go-to move. It's super easy and fun to do it that way, and it's way quicker than picking up sticker by sticker. Okay, looks like I am not done and I need a few more just to make sure that everything is looking properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove a few more stickers, and look at this tweezer action. It's kind of cool, right? That it just like grabs like that. Like I said, it was a pure accident, but sometimes accidents make it way better. Okay, and the last one I'm going to grab is this tiny little guy as well. There we go. Let's go ahead and add those to the spread. I am glad that this book had so many, because as you can see, I really needed it. And oftentimes I will try my stickers on, like you saw right there, where I will just try to like place them over the spread a little and see how that would look. So pretty good. I'm gonna fix that one, and that's all, my loves. I'm gonna add one more to balance this out, and I am done. So this is a full spread in my wellness / meal planner. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like it, and I will see you very, very soon for another video with me. Thanks for joining me today and have a great week. Bye!